Hey hotel hoppers, welcome to another episode. Today we are in Bangkok again and checking out the Aloft Sukhumvit 11 and one of the normal rooms, this one particular 2002, one of the king size rooms. Come on in and see how it looks like. So a few years ago, before the COVID-19, we were here and we got the suite upgrade, but this time, because all the suites are reserved for the quarantine, we are on the lower floors and just have the normal room. And happy to show you around. So first let's go in this part of the room, which is the bathroom. So single sink, Portico soap that some maybe have recognized from Hyatt Regencies before. Aloft body lotion, you have glass water bottles there and plenty of space to put your own toiletries and things. On the opposite side, we have open closet, where you have like the bathrobe, ironing equipment, slippers, a safe. The cool thing about this safe is it's plenty of space for the laptops, but also there is a charging point inside, which you can use to charge your gadgets while safe away. More water. So as a tea and coffee options, we have just Nescafe and Tilmach teas. And hidden here, we have hair dryer. Going onwards into the booth, we have the toilet. It has bidet shower, 2 rolls of toilet paper. And here they don't have bathtub, but they have quite spacious shower with kind of wall-on amenities by Bliss. So we have like bubbling shampoo on one side and then the bubbling body wash on the other side. So quite spacious, quite decent washing quarters, let's say. But then let's have a look what's inside this living space. So the room isn't that big, but it's well appointed. In the middle we have king-size beds with plenty of pillows and a cute elephant. I see also there are charging points on both sides of the bed. There is a JBL Bluetooth speaker that also has 2 USB charging points. Big TV, you can connect. If you are Marriott Bonvoy Elite member, like we are, we also got some welcome amenities. There's a mini fridge and space to stow away your suitcase. What I really like is that, you know, you work from the road and it's always like, do you have space, like decent desk you could work on? And the cool thing is like the chair is pretty decent and the desk is pretty decent and spacious to get work done. And it's not only that you would be watching the wall, but there's a great city view. Currently it's dark outside, but otherwise during the daytime it's amazing. It's also natural light for your video calls. So that's great. And there are also again charging points. Here I see HDMI connection for the TV as well and the USB port and 2 charging points. So that's great. But that's not all. There is also another area where you can lounge. This kind of, in some hotels you have to be in a junior suite to get this, but here standard room in Aloft you already have this corner sofa. You get natural daylight, you want to read a book or something, or if there is 2 of you and one is using the desk, the second person could use this desk and also get the work done. So you have actually 2 working spaces here in Aloft. And yeah, so quite a decent room. I hope you enjoyed this review and walkthrough of Aloft. Besides having normal stays, currently you can also do a test and go here and the quarantine. If you are doing quarantine, it would be higher floors, 21 to 30. And also you could stay in the suites, so something to consider. Breakfast should be currently a combo of a la carte and buffet. We'll try it out tomorrow. And if you have some more questions regarding this Aloft here in Bangkok, put it in the comments below and we'd be happy to get back to you based on our experience, what we have seen here. If you want to see other reviews of the hotels in Bangkok, check out the previous reviews we have been doing at the Hotel Hoppers channel. And if you want to see all the reviews we'll be doing in the future, if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button and you would be first one to be notified of all other cool hotel reviews we are doing here in Bangkok and other cities in Thailand, and also hopefully when the travel restrictions ease up also beyond Thailand. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon again in a new episode.